Good morning everybody. Hello dear students. I hope you all are fit and fine at your homes and taking care of yourself. So children, today we will discuss question answers of the poem How They Sleep. Okay children? In the last class we have learned a poem Topsy Turvy Land, which is written by H.G. Wilkinson. Yes children, in the last class we have learned this poem. Yes, in this poem what we have learned? We learned that in Topsy Turvy Land everything is different, unusual and unrealistic, isn't it? So children, today we will discuss the question answers of this poem. Open your English textbook, page number 12. Okay. Now see, evaluate part, understanding the poem. Section A, answer these questions. Okay children. So let's read the first question. Okay. The first question is, when do children go to school in the Topsy-Turvy Land? As we all know that Topsy-Turvy Land is a very different, unusual land. Yes, it is a land of imagination. Yes children. So now tell me, when do children go to school in Topsy-Turvy Land? Yes, the answer is they go to school at night. Yes children, they go to school at night. So now read the second question. If children go to school at night, when do you think they sleep? Yes children, tell me, when they go to school if children go to school at night, when do you think they sleep? Yes, they sleep in the morning, because in Topsy-Turvy Land everything is opposite. What we have do in our land, they do exactly opposite. Yes children, like we go to school in the morning and we sleep at night. But in Topsy-Turvy Land, they go to school in the night and they go to sleep in the morning. Yes, in the morning. The answer is they sleep in the morning. Now the third question. Okay. Where are the entrances to the house in such a land? Where are the entrances to the house in such a land? So children, tell me the answer. Yes, the entrance is from the back of the house, isn't it? Yes children, the entrance is from the back of the house. Yes, we have learned in this poem. Yes children, in the Topsy-Turvy Land, the front door step is at the back. Yes children. Now read the fourth question. In the poem, if buses travel on the sea, then where do the boats travel? Tell me the answer. Yes children, in the Topsy-Turvy Land everything is unusual, isn't it? Because it is a land of imagination. Yes, so tell me, if buses travel on the sea, then where do the boats travel? The boats travel up and down the street. Yes, the boats travel up and down the street. Now come to the section B. Read these lines from the poem and answer the question that follow. You pay for what you never get. Explain this line. And B, how would you react if this happened to you? Okay children, they have given one line. Yes, in this poem, you pay for what you never get. So what we have to do? We have to explain this line. So means you pay and get nothing in return. Explain this line. You pay and yet get nothing in return, and I would probably get angry and be very upset. Yes children, how would you react if this happened to you? Yes, I would probably get very angry and be very upset, because you pay and yet get nothing in return means anyone can get upset, isn't it? Now question number 2. I think it must be grand for when you go, you are coming back. Do you think it is grand to come back when you actually want to go? What does you are mean? So children, no, I think it is strange and unnatural, isn't it? That you get back when you actually want to go. So it means you are. Yes children, it means what does you are means? You are. I hope you getting my points. Yes children. So explain this line. How you will explain this line? You pay for what you never get means you pay and yet get nothing in return. Yes. And how would you react if this happened to you? I would probably get angry and be very upset. Isn't it? Now C section. Think and answer. Okay. Why is this land called Topsy-Turvy Land? The question number 1. Why is this land called Topsy-Turvy Land? So children, this land is called Topsy-Turvy Land because everything here is unnatural, opposite and unusual. Because in Topsy-Turvy Land, children go to school at night and they go to sleep in the evening. And the entrance is from the back of the house and the boats travel up and down on the street. Yes children, and one more strange thing in Topsy-Turvy Land is that you pay and yet get nothing in return. Is that yes children? So for that this land is called Topsy-Turvy Land because in this land everything is unnatural, opposite and unusual. Okay, this is the answer for this question. Now come to the second question. Do you think that a place like Topsy-Turvy Land could exist? If this land is exist, this type of land is exist, then say why. Okay, do you think that a place like Topsy-Turvy Land could exist? Say why. So tell me the answer children, think and answer. No, it could not exist, isn't it? Because it is absurd. Absurd means unnatural. Yes? Unreasoned. So children, it can only exist in our imagination, isn't it? So children, it could not exist because it is absurd and it can only exist in our imagination because Topsy-Turvy Land is a land of imagination. In real land, such things will never happen. Yes? Okay. Now, discuss in class. How do you think people would behave in Topsy-Turvy Land? Would they follow normal standards of behavior? Would you like to live in a place like this? Give reason for your answer. Okay. How do you think people would behave in Topsy-Turvy Land? Would they follow normal standards of behavior? Would you like to live in a place like this? So children, they would behave in what we would consider to be unnatural. Isn't it? They would behave in what we could consider to be unnatural or strange behavior. Yes, going to school at night, this is very strange behavior, isn't it? I would not like to live in such a place which is so different from what I am used to do, what I am used to live. Yes children, because in Topsy-Turvy Land, boats travel up and down on the street and they sleep in the morning and the entrance is from the back of the house. Yes, in Topsy-Turvy Land everything is different. So they would behave in what we would consider to be unnatural or strange behavior. So I would not like to live in such a place which is so different from what I am used to. Isn't it children? Okay. So appreciation. Okay, pick out the rhyming words in the poem. So children, this is a homework for you. Okay, what you have to do, you have to pick a rhyming words from this poem. Okay, and read and write this poem 5 times. Okay children, now this poem is over. Topsy-Turvy Land is over. What you have to do, you have to write down the answers of each question, okay, and complete your fair. Okay children, stay safe, stay home, stay safe, okay. The next we will continue in our next class. Thank you.